Hi friends, it's your art teacher, Miss Barnett. In today's lesson, we've been talking about colorful weather paintings and how they can tell stories about what is happening in nature. So today we'll be making our own colorful weather story. I want you to think about what kind of weather you're going to show in your painting. Is it going to be a bright sunny day? Are you going to maybe have a rainbow? Is it going to be a snowy, cold day? Maybe it's cold and wet and rainy in your picture. Uh, Maybe something really dramatic's happening, like a tornado, like in the painting we looked at earlier in the lesson. So think about that. What kind of weather are you going to show in your picture? Where is your picture going to be at? And then I also want you to think about how you're going to mix tints and shades, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment, to show different types of weather. So a tint is a color mixed with white. Es un tinto, es un color mezclando con blanco. And a shade is a color mixed with black. Una sombrero es una color mezclando con negro. And I'll show you how to make both kinds of tints and shades. You can do it with any color. I'll be showing you how to do it with blue, but you could do it with red, orange, you could do purple, you could do your greens. All colors can be made into tints and shades. So for your painting to be successful today, you need to show a weather scene that suggests a story, and you need to mix tints and shades that show that how that would look in nature. And I'll have some photos up on the screen so you can have some ideas and get some inspiration. So I'm going to show you how to make tints, and then I will show you how to create your painting, and let's get started. All right, friends, so I'm going to show you how to make tints and shades today. So a tint is a color mixed with white. So we're going to start with we're going to make two tints. So I'm going to start with two piles of white, wash my brush, and then we're going to mix a little bit of blue in. So I'm going to start with one dot of blue here and two dots of blue here. Rinse my brush again, swish, swish white, and then we're going to mix. We always add color to white because it would take a lot of white paint to change a blue, but it takes just a little bit of blue to change white. Awesome. So there's one tint. And there's another tint. This color is lighter than this one because we put more blue paint in this one. Now we're going to make a shade. A shade is a little different. So we're going to take the color that we're going to mix into to make it darker. And we're going to make two piles of that. Wash our brush. And then we're going to take a dot of black and add it, and then two dots here. Let's see what happens. Wash your brush, and then we're going to mix. And these are called shades because you can think about it like sitting under a tree in the shade. It's darker in the shade. This one has two dots, so I bet it'll come out a lot darker. We have to be careful with the black though, because black is the most powerful of all colors, and it will overpower another color so easily. These are almost the same, so if that happens, we can come in and we can add more. We can always add more. We cannot take away. Yes. So we've made two tints and two shades. Go ahead and I'll give you a couple minutes to practice making some tints and shades, and then I'll show you how to start sketching your picture. Here we go. All right, my friends, I have a palette set up with the primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue, and the secondary colors, which are green, purple, and orange, as well as black and white. You'll get this to share with a partner, and then you'll also get a mixing plate on which to pull the colors out of and mix onto. So you'll get that. You'll get a piece of paper, and you'll need a water cup and a brush, and then we can just get started painting. So I'm going to start my painting and you can watch. Here we go. All right, friends, here is my completed colorful weather story project. I made a rainy day that was created a rainbow in spring. I can't wait to see what kind of weather events you pick and how you mix tints and shades. I mixed lots of tints and shades in my sky and even in my greens, and I even made some pink. So I made tints and shades all over the place, and I hope you do too. I can't wait to see what you make. Let's get started.